Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade crab cakes the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of fresh lump crab meat, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup of crushed saltine crackers. Having everything chilled ensures the best texture and makes mixing much easier. Now, let's create the flavorful base for our crab cakes. In a medium bowl, gently combine the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir in the 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. Next, whisk in the 1 large egg until the mixture is smooth and thoroughly incorporated. Finally, carefully fold in the 1 pound of lump crab meat, being sure to preserve its delicate texture. To give our crab cake structure, we'll now add the binding agent. Gently fold in the 1/2 cup of crushed saltine crackers into the crab mixture. Be careful not to overmix, as this can break up the crab. Once combined, divide the mixture and form it into 8 uniform crab cakes, each approximately 1 inch thick. Place these formed cakes on a plate or baking sheet and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps them hold their shape during cooking. It's time to cook our delicious crab cakes. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place the chilled crab cakes into the pan. Pan fry them for about 4 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. Ensure they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Serve these perfect crab cakes immediately with fresh lemon wedges and your favorite dipping sauce for an unforgettable culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.